So people aren't believing that I can do the Rubik's Cube and do it under 3 minutes. So I thought I would record it just to show people, and see, it's all done right here. So I'm going to mix it up, and you're going to watch me mix it up, because mixing up and remembering what you do in order to get it back exactly the same way, the same pattern, is just way too much work. When I get to a minute of mixing it up, I'll go for it. Okay, there you got it, nice and mixed up. Appear on walls where pleasure moments hung before the takeover, the sweeping insensitivity of this still life. Trains and soaring machine catch me around they were here first. What you say? That you only meant well, because you did what you say. That it's all for the best, because it is what you say. That is what we need. You decided this, what you say. I think that was less than 2 minutes that time. So, there you go. See ya.